video to self. Right now, it's absolutely disgusting and cold in here, and we're just getting started on this pretty intimidating garage remodel project. Soon, this Subaru is going to be a Ferrari, and it's going to be warm in here, it's going to be pristine, it's going to be nice. Just don't lose sight of that goal. All right, the progress of the day. Filled it up quite a bit, and here's the garage. It's looking pretty good. Pretty bare bones, which is what we want. All right, we got the car onto the trailer. All the tires loaded up. I am probably the sorest I've ever been after go-karting, but that was such a blast. Here's what's leaking under the car. All right, we're out here at New Hampshire Motor Speedway. It is bright and early, well, cloudy and early. Test day, about to take the car on track for the first time and do the brake bed in. All right, morning, it is Saturday, race day, first ever race day. All right, it's go time. First race, just a few more minutes. I'm nervous, I'm excited. Let's see how it goes. All right, race one complete. That was fun. That was really fun. I'm pretty sure I came in last in my class. All right, race two was super intense. Had some really good battles. Made it back home, but of course, as you saw, she's got some damage. We will have to sort that out in the garage. All right, this is the current situation. Got the cars undercover. They're in there spraying away. Making me real nervous having these guys out here. The cars, that is. Behind that plastic are the spray foam guys. Let's see what kind of damage we got under here. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the transponder. This is where my lap timer goes. All right, I don't know how I did that, but I did it. I got it off. All right, so obviously super loud. It's banging a ton. And I got my car triple covered. Regular cover, outdoor cover, some blankets, pillows, and insulation here, just in case anything big falls. Okay, so we got the drywall here. I'm gonna be hanging it up here. I'm just gonna do one piece up there so that I can mount the mini split and then call it a day. All right, got the hole drilled into the outside at a slight downward angle. I'd say it looks pretty good.
No power steering, no power brakes, clutch pedal is heavy, the brake pedal is heavy. The accelerator pedal is ridiculously heavy. They must have something like 40-pound recurrent springs or something on this carburetor because holy crap, it takes so much.